Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So disconnect all the USB and then restart your system. Okay, and disconnect all the USB flash drive, external hard disk, printer, USB hub, dongle. Okay, and after the start and wait for some troubleshooting part and then connect it. Okay, so click to start and then type device manager. So first one, open it. Then last one, you can say universal bus controller, extract this. So you can say this is a USB actual driver. Okay, so select 3.1 and then right click and then click to uninstall it and then click to uninstall. After that it will remove from there. Then click to action and then click scan hardware changes. After that it will come back again, then extract it, it will show all, then once again extract, select 3.1 and then right click to update driver and then update automatically and then close it. And then last and very important, click to start, type cmd and then right click to run as administrator and type this command sfc space slash scan now and then hit enter. After that it will start a percentage, and when it is completed then need to restart your system and then connect a USB which port you are getting issues. Okay, and then please comment me it is resolved or not. Thank you.